Hey YouTube, DJ Mick here. Well, we've got a couple of our iPhone 4S's received this morning. Pretty cool and exciting. This one is actually for my wife. I'm still waiting on mine. It should be here on Thursday. So I don't get one yet, but we are going to do the unboxing with my wife's iPhone. And got to do an unboxing of the iPhone 4S. Even though there's going to be hundreds of videos online of the iPhone 4S unboxing, you can't miss out on this one, especially if you're not subscribing to other people. We've got to keep everybody updated. So we'll grab our trusty razor. Make the incision along the seam carefully. Don't want to damage the box. Removing the plastic. Now hopefully I didn't pick one that's going to be a lemon for my wife. Now, looks just like the iPhone 4. Actually, it feels lighter than the iPhone 4. Definitely nice when they first come out of the package. Beauty. Well, there is that. This is a factory unlocked one. You have your cute little booklet and ejector pin, instructions. You have your headphones, USB cable, and wall plug. This is the first time this phone has been turned on. As you saw, we broke the seal. So from initialization, we will see exactly what happens. And I do believe we will still need to plug it to iTunes, but we shall see. Now don't forget to leave some comments below if you have something to say about the iPhone 4S. Would love to hear what you think about it. Just leave them down below. Also follow us on Twitter, iDJMick. There's the welcome screen with iOS 5. No SIM card. Nice thing about this one is it is factory unlocked. So we are choosing English, Canada, enable location services, next, my Wi-Fi, next. Activation failed. Please insert a SIM card. Alright. So, get a SIM card here on the temporary phone that my wife has been using. You gotta love these nice adapters that for the micro SIM. She was using a Motorola temp phone. We sold our iPhone 4s months ago to make this upgrade a lot cheaper. So there's those little micro adapters. And you can get those from Mike's Place. Don't forget, if you are following and subscribing to us, if you have an issue that Apple won't help you with, we do service and repair iPhone products, Apple products, including the MacBooks. We've repaired some water damaged ones. We've repaired hundreds of iPhones. New screens, new batteries, complete rebuilds. Let's try this again. Try again. Set up as a new phone. Restore from iTunes. And there we go. We're going to plug this in and restore my wife's iPhone. Well, don't forget to subscribe above. Follow us on Twitter. DJ Mick. Peace and God bless.